While playing Lethal Company with my friends, I realized that you can move furniture around on board the ship. By pressing and holding B, you can pick up certain things on the ship and place them somewhere else. This includes the light switch. So, I started trolling my friends by grabbing the light switch and hiding it, leaving them struggling in the darkness to find it. Needless to say, they weren't very happy with me. That did not rhyme, I just want to point out.
No, pussy so wet, I had to get CPR. Pussy so wet.
Oh, okay, I didn't hear the other side of it.
Yeah, hater.
Yup. Where the fuck is the light switch actually?
Yeah, there's supposed to be one on the wall.
Why
would
they put it next to
It's
the door?
supposed to be right there, but it's not there.
Who took the light switch?
Who the fuck took it?
You can take the light. Can you remove the light switch?
Maybe.
Is that a thing?
Why do you say it like that, Dan?
I'm just theorizing. Maybe you can do
Why did you
that.
say it? Nuh-uh. You say it like you have it.
Maybe that's a possibility. Maybe.
It's not the light!
Dancorona.
Well, these are accusations that cannot be proven.
What do you mean? It also sick. No.
What the fuck?
Sick. Look. Where's the light switch at?
What did you do?
Wait, where is the
What'd
light
you do?
Where did you hide the light switch? It's behind the fucking clothes.
Shut up! No, it's not.
Dan, you fucking piece of shit!
What, bro?
Okay, well, you know what? I have listening problems, so fuck you.
It's not my problem. Good news is that we basically met quota day one. Dan, turn the fucking lights on! I am in here and I can wear it!
What, bro? What are you freaking out about?
Hello.
Where did you fucking move it? I'm gonna have to kill myself.
I can't take this anymore! It's that space protection on? Oh, okay. Am I supposed to be out there, like, killing things or getting things?
Yeah, you wanna come hang out?
Ah.
I found a fucking piece of shit.
What, bro?
Kill yourself. It's right underneath the engine. You see the
Die,
bottom?
literally die, love.
That's me shooting you. The sound? This is a gun.
The light switch is tearing the family apart, truly. Does anyone have? Do you have a flashlight?
Nope, I gave it to Steph.
I have one.
Ah, okay.
Flashlight on the floor. Flashlight on the floor. Right? Get out. Get out. You're not welcome here.
What are you talking about? Have fun in the dark.
Where is the goddamn light?
You'll never find it.
I can't find the fucking
Don't let
light
this
switch.
fucker in. He's banished.
Close the goddamn door.
It's so funny. It's so funny.
Oh, I found it. I don't like this game of light switch.
We should move it to where we know where it is. Don't say it out loud. They're probably outside. What about like?
Wait.
They're watching.
What's up?
I'm literally gonna kill myself in front of you. I swear to God.
Oh my god.
We need a
Yeah,
store.
let's go to the company building. Let's lobby starting with other people. I had fun with this lobby and I'd rather just end it here.
Did you find the fucking light switch again?
I don't know what you're talking
We know
about.
everything? I hate Dan Corona. I'll say it.
I'm gonna lose my mind, dude.